Hi, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to view your employees' screens live in real time, step by step. So if you're a small or medium business owner or an IT service provider setting up monitoring for your clients, this video is for you. Maybe you're wondering what's really happening on company computers during working hours, especially with remote and hybrid teams. You don't want to guess, you want a clear, live view of each screen without having to walk through the office or constantly asking for updates. With Wolfeye Remote Screen, you can watch all employee screens live from one dashboard without interrupting their work. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install the monitoring client on each of your company computer, and I'll show you how to see all business computers in a live grid view. Also, how to open any screen in full size in real time. And finally, I'll show you how to do all of this remotely from your own computer or laptop, or even from your smartphone. Of course, always make sure to follow the laws in your country for your use case and to inform your employees where required. This video is a technical tutorial, not legal advice. So if you want a personal live demo for your company, you can book a free session on our website. I will show it to you. So let's start. Wolfeye Remote Screen is a small piece of software. You install it on each of your business computers, yeah? And after you installed it, you will get the access to your demo dashboard, to your dashboard, not to your demo, to your dashboard. You will receive a dashboard like this dashboard. And what you notice, this dashboard is opened on the browser. So you will be able to access the dashboard from your remote computer, from your laptop, or even from your smartphone. This is the demo dashboard. That's why the password is displayed. It's displayed so that you can also go to this website, open the demo dashboard, enter the 12345 demo password to see what you will receive. So you will get your own personal dashboard and will enter your personal password. This is the demo 12345 and you log in. And what you will see for each of the computers that you have installed, Wolfeye Remote Screen, you will receive this, you will see the live screen as you are seeing here, as if you're sitting in front of it, in front of each of the computer by yourself. Yeah? This is the demo dashboard, so you only see here screens, but in reality, you will see live screens. Live screens means it's like a screenshot updated every 2 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds. So it has a lag of 2 to 3 seconds, but it's the live screen for each of the computers in your business. You will have the overview over what is being done in real time, so to speak, live. You have the possibility to change this grid to a 2-column grid so that you see the screens in a bigger format, or a 3-column grid so that you have more screens at the same time. You have a better overview. If you wanted, you could take a closer look to one of these screens, for example, this one in the middle. If you right mouse click on live and open in a new tab, that's very important. If you only left mouse click, nothing happens. Right mouse click, open new tab. Then for that particular computer, the live screen opens and you can better see on a big screen what they are doing live. This is the live screen then. Again, what you're seeing here is a demo. Also, if you wanted to save screenshots, to make a screenshot history so that you can check later, you come later, or you can check every 2 or 3 days what has been done on that particular computer, you can enable screenshot history. Every 5 minutes, a screenshot is saved. And for that, you have these links that say history. For example, if you wanted to check the history, what has been done over a period of time for this particular computer, or this, or this, or this, for example, this, you right mouse click on that link that says history and open in a new tab. Again, not left mouse click, nothing happens. Right mouse click and open in a new tab. And for that particular computer, the screenshot history opens. So you can enable the screenshot history and set the interval by yourself. You can say, I want to save a screenshot every 1 minute. That's a lot. Yeah, you would have to go through a lot of screens. Or you can say, I want to save every 5 minutes a screenshot or every 10 minutes a screenshot. You decide, you set the interval by yourself. You can even set here how many pictures on one page you want to that, but of course you will be able here to scroll to the pages. So that's how Wolfeye Remote Screen works. So if you would like to install and to try it completely free, Wolfeye Remote Screen, come to our website. I will demonstrate now how to install it. Now come to our website, wolfeye.de. Yeah, wolfeye.de. And here on our website, you can hit this button that says Start a Free Trial. Start a free trial, where you can book a demo session. You can book a demo session. You choose here the date, for example, the time that you would like. Enter your name, email, your phone number. We probably will talk over the phone, but it will be a Google Meet session. So we could also talk over Google. But after you enroll here, I will write you a small WhatsApp message, or however I can contact you. And maybe you can tell us for how many computers you plan to install Wolfeye. For me to plan this demo session better. And in this demo session, what we will do is Wolfeye will be installed on my computer, and I will give you access to my dashboard. And that way you will see exactly what you will get when you install it on your computer, because you will see my screen, my live screen. You will be able to scroll to my screenshot history and see my live screen in live. And then if you want to proceed, we can install Wolfeye Remote Screen on one or two of your computers. I will guide you through the installation process so that you exactly will know how to install it. In 1 or 2 minutes, you will see it. I demonstrated here to you. But this will enable you to quickly set up the software by yourself for your remaining computers. And after you've done that, you will receive the access to your dashboard like this. This is a dashboard where 9 computers have been installed. So you will see for each of the computer the live screen live. That's how it works. And I said, this is the demo session is for 30 minutes here, but in reality, we only take 10 minutes or 15 because the installation of Wolfeye is very, very, very quick. Very fast. I will demonstrate it to you here. So you will receive the download link for Wolfeye Remote Screen, and what you download is this Wolfeye setup file. So I sent you the download link. You open the setup file by double clicking it, and this installation wizard opens. And you only have to click on install. In 1 second it's installed, and also you have to click finish. After you click finish, Wolfeye Remote Screen opens. And to set it up, you only must hit 2 buttons. First is the share button. You hit the share button. The moment you hit the share button, he's already sharing the screen, so to speak. And then you must hit the stealth mode button that hides the software, puts it into stealth mode. You hit it, the software goes into the background, hides itself, and from now on it will be restarted in the background every time the Windows system is restarted. It will hide from the user. Nobody will notice anything. It hides even from Task Manager. But all of this I will show you in the demo session, and we can clear all the questions that you might have. So come to our website. I will be very happy to go to make the demo for you and to know you. See you in the next video.